Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Quadcopter Review. I'm your host Pepe Prawns. Today we're going to look at the 65mm X frame. Now if you need one of these frames to build your own 2S 65mm or just a replacement for your previous one, here's what you're going to get in the box. In the box you'll find one frame and 4 sets of props, so that's 8 props total. Now if you need one of these, you can pick these up at the BetaFPV storefront on Amazon. As always, you'll find a link to this product and many others in the description and in the comments below. Now let's talk a little bit about the specifications of this. Now this is made out of a soft, not rigid plastic. Motor to motor, it's a true 65mm. The motor mounting holes are 0x0, and those are made for your 802s and your 705 type motor. The mounting is 26x26mm for a flight controller. It has a 2 1S battery slot, and it weighs 3.6 grams. The BetaFPV 802 motor works well with this frame, and you can see my video on that as well in the upper right hand corner. For me, this frame's proven to be rock solid and not had any issues with breakage.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.